Welcome everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs, and today I'm going to share with you the Spooktacular Cricut Mystery Box for this month. Now this mystery box is full of physical product that gets shipped to your house. Last week we had a mystery box, but it was a digital image set mystery box that would be in Design Space after you purchase. I just want to make sure you're clear on the differences. This one is $39.99. It has a retail value of over $100. And if you want to save even more money, what you can do is add an item to your shopping cart that gets you to $50 in your shopping cart, and you can use my promo code SMQD04 and get 10% off plus free shipping in the US and Canada. So that's the best way to get the best value. And if you are a Cricut Access subscriber already, you'll get an additional 10% off. I appreciate you using my link if you decide to purchase this. It'll be in the description of where you see this video, and thanks so much. All right, let's see what's in here. Woohoo! All right, so there's several rolls of vinyl on here. Some of them are adhesive vinyl and some of them are iron-on. So I'll try to be very clear about which is which. So the first one is adhesive vinyl. This is removable matte finish vinyl. This is Cricut's premium vinyl, so it cuts really great, weeds really great, goes on really easily. It helps you not have bubbles in your projects when you apply it. This has 6 12 by 12 patterns in it. This one is called In Bloom Pink Sampler, so it's florals and they're pink. There's 3 different patterns, so you get 2 of each one, and these really look great when you cut them out. Even if you're cutting smaller type images, you're not going to see the overall whole pattern, but you will get snippets of the pattern, and that is really cool on your cutout projects. So you get that roll, and you get a roll. This one is removable matte premium vinyl, but this one is designed by Anna Griffin, so you know that's going to be beautiful, right? So this is Charlotte Sampler. It also is 6 12 by 12 sheets, and this one has, it's kind of a pink floral pattern. Then there's like a tone-on-tone purple and a black and white that almost looks kind of like my shirt, and it has blooms on it. So really pretty. This is another great one to have in your arsenal for using patterned adhesive vinyl. Now you also get a roll of Cricut removable premium vinyl, but this one is in cream. And now we're going to talk about iron-on vinyl. Okay, so there's 4 rolls of iron-on. Let's go over each one. So the first one is the foil iron-on. This is the Spring Meadow Sampler, and it has green, pink, purple, and silver in it. So really pretty, super cool. When you use this iron-on, it looks great on anything you put it on. I've got shirts that I've made with it, and they wash beautifully, so I haven't had any trouble with that. And this one has 1 12 by 12 sheet of each of those 4 colors. Okay, so this is the foil Spring Meadow iron-on. The next one is, and of course you know I'm going to love this one. This one is glitter iron-on. Okay, now glitter iron-on gives that extra sparkle to your iron-on projects. This is the Jewel Sampler. So the Jewel Sampler, think of jewel tones, so it's purple and green and blue. It's beautiful. Here again, you're going to get 3 12 by 12 sheets, 1 of each color. This one is the Strong Bond Cricut Patterned Iron-On, and this one is called Chantilly Sampler, and you will get 3 12 by 17 sheets of this patterned iron-on. Okay, 1 of each of the 3 patterns. This one's kind of cream with a navy filigree on it. Then it's got like a cream with a pink filigree on it, and then a kind of a white with the navy filigree on it is what I'm looking at here. So this one's really fun. And you're also going to get a roll of Cricut Pattern Iron-On, but this one is the Filigree Blue Sampler. So these are all blue tones. There again, you're going to get 3 sheets of 12 by 17, 1 of each of the 3 patterns. And this is white with blue, blue with white, and another white with blue. So really pretty. These look great on your iron-on projects. There again, because they have a big overall pattern on them, even when you cut them into smaller images, you get snippets of the color and the pattern, and it looks really cool. Remember, when you're in Design Space and you are using iron-on, always the liner, the shiny liner side goes against your mat. Make sure that you have mirrored your image before you go to cut out. And also make sure you select the appropriate material setting when you go to cut it. So you'll look for iron-on, but you'll need to tell it if it's foil iron-on or glitter iron-on or pattern iron-on to make sure you get the best cut. Now, you're going to get all 7 rolls of this, right? And there's something else. You're going to get a pack of Cricut's pattern paper. Now, this one is the Marvel Deluxe pattern paper. It's the Marvel Kawaii images. And if you haven't seen or used the Cricut paper, it's really nice, good quality. They're double-sided, so they have 2 patterns, one on the front and one on the back. And I believe there is 12 sheets in each one, so you get 6 different patterns, double-sided. This will be great for making like kids' birthday party stuff out of it, or boxes, or any. If you have a Marvel fan at your house, they're going to love you making them something with this, cards and so forth. Now, there's one other item in the mystery box that I'm going to show you. These cannot be, I will repeat, these cannot be used in the Cricut Maker or Cricut Explore machines. These are legacy mats. They were for the smaller version of Cricuts before we got into Design Space and using the new machines. Now, what you can do with these mats, though, is that you could use it as a weeding mat. So if you cut out a bunch of vinyl and you just want to have a smaller place in front of you, maybe you like to go sit and weed when you're in front of the TV watching a movie, which is something I like to do. I could take one of these smaller mats and put my cutouts here and then be able to weed it easily doing that. So that's a use for these mats. It's just a little something it's truly a mystery in the mystery box, and I wanted you guys to know what to do with these. Do not use them in the machines. I want to hear your ideas and thoughts on what you're going to make with this spectacular Cricut mystery box. Leave me a comment. I appreciate you subscribing to my YouTube channel so you get more tips and tutorials. And of course, thanks for shopping using my link, and I will talk to you guys later, and happy crafting.